Toyota Corolla today. Dang, right, we got my light set up right here. You can see working on the hood. Let me flip the camera around and show you guys what I'm working on right now. Okay, so this dent is mostly an outward dent. If you can see right inside here, outward dent there and there, kind of a snake-like dent. What happened is someone probably sat down or pushed on the hood. You can see how flexible that is, and it hit the bracing on the inside of it and made these outward dents, and then the dent came back up, and so it just left outward marks. So most of the repair is going to be just tapping on the outside of the car with a hammer and tapper. So we will do that, and then I'll give you an after video, see how it comes out. Okay, started raining a little bit on me, so I got my little umbrella set up. It's just sprinkles, but anyways, I can't see the dent when there's water on it. So let me show you guys what's up. I'm on the other side of the dent now, but I have my light set up and you can see it was right through this area here, somewhere in that section. And there you go. Here's what the back side of it looks like. So what happened is they probably pushed the hood down and hit some of this internal bracing right in this area, and it pushed the outer skin outward and left those outward marks. So lots of tapping, a little bit of pushing with tools like this, little skinning tools that get in between the bracing there, but there you go. It's the first job of the day.